Do you feel like your focus is slipping away? You start one task and 10 minutes later, you're scrolling social media or thinking about dinner? In today's noisy world, it's easy to feel scattered. But you can train your mind to regain laser-sharp focus, and here's how. We live in an attention economy. Apps, ads, and even the news fight for your eyes every second. Multitasking isn't real. Switching between tasks burns mental energy and makes you less efficient. Even stress and lack of sleep can wreck your ability to stay on one thing. Step 1. Clean your digital space. Turn off non-essential notifications. Use Do Not Disturb or Focus mode when you work. Declutter your desktop. Fewer icons mean fewer temptations. Step 2. Train your attention span. Try the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of deep work followed by a 5-minute break. Start with small chunks of time. Even 5 minutes of mindful breathing or short meditation can rewire your brain to concentrate better. Step 3. Take care of your body. Stay hydrated and eat well. Your brain needs fuel. Move your body. A quick 10-minute walk can refresh your mind. And prioritize sleep. No amount of coffee can replace proper rest. Step 4. Protect your mental space. Start your day by writing down your top 3 priorities. Say no to things that drain your energy but don't matter. And surround yourself with people and content that inspire, not distract. Regaining focus isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter and guarding your attention like it's gold. Start small, silence one notification, take one mindful breath, or finish one task before starting another. Over time, these small actions rebuild your focus, even in a world full of distractions. Which tip will you try first? Stay consistent and watch your focus and your life transform.